Hi everyone, today we will learn basic of creating a material. First, right click, select create and then select material. Then name the material as you want. I will name it into red. Then I will change a material color into red. Here you can change a metallic and smoothie of the material. Here you can add the texture of the object if you have. Now let's create an object. Let's reposition the object. Then drag and drop a material to the object. Now you can see the differences when I change a metallic and smoothie properties. So you can change the material properties as you want. Let's create another material to add a texture in it. Let's name it into door. Create another cube. Reposition the object and resize it to be like a door. Drag and drop an image of the door. Then drag and drop the door material to the object. Now it seems as a real door. If you wanted the door to be more real, just change a metallic and smoothie properties. Usually the object comes from designer, so designer will make the whole work of the material and object design.